Last day of 2023 deer hunting season, Minnesota, December 31st. It's about 25 degrees. Very little wind. They said it's 6 miles an hour, but feels like 1 or 2. Happy New Year's. Got a dope egg left in my pocket. Let's see if I can fill it. I heard something just now. I don't think it's anything. Not much going on out here. It's a beautiful day. Got our first dusting of snow since October. Lately, there's been a lot of coyotes back here, but none today. Turkeys too. Hope you all had a great hunting season. It's been fun. Great year. Pretty mild. Try all your meat sticks and steaks. Catch you again next year hunting. Happy New Year.